revealed some truths about their experience of unnaturally caused climate change.
You see, the mass extinction came, they die, not only humans but the animals also, they die by two main poisonous gases, namely hydrogen sulfide and nitrous oxide, plus methane at the third course. Sulfide and methane from the livestock began to warm the climate and then triggered more other gases from the ocean, from permafrost and glacier around the planet, just like what's happening to our planet right now.
Fortunately, there survived a small minority, identified as being virtuous and vegetarian. It is their descendants who allowed their story to be told as a constructive warning for their counterparts on Earth.
The destruction happened too fast and no one can help anyone. Only 0.2% of them escaped, around 2 million, into the underground caves. And that's how they survived.
We are grateful to Suprememaster Chinghai for this precious information about the planet Mars. We would also like to thank the Mars people for their kind consent in letting us know about them. With this somber historic reminder, may we quickly move to prevent a similar course by ceasing animal agriculture and adopting benevolent lifestyles.
For more incredible and virtual insights on Mars, please tune in to Between Master and Disciples on Suprememaster Television for the full broadcast of this video conference at a later date with multi-language subtitles.
U.S. President Barack Obama welcomed to office. In the days preceding the inauguration, the president-elect participated in numerous public activities and celebrations held in his honor.